Join me as I challenge myself to find the best street food in Vietnam for just $1. Street food in Vietnam is more than just a meal. It's an experience, a cultural phenomenon that brings people together. From bustling streets to hidden alleys, street food vendors are a staple of Vietnamese daily life, serving up delicious, authentic dishes that showcase the country's culinary diversity. Finding authentic and affordable street food options while traveling in Vietnam can be a challenge, especially with the rise of touristy restaurants and overpriced eateries. As a traveler, it's easy to get caught up in the excitement of trying new dishes, but often, we end up paying way more than we need to. I've found myself stuck in this tourist trap before, and it's frustrating when you know there's better, more authentic options out there. But how do you find those hidden gems? That's what I'm on a mission to discover today. I want to show you that you don't have to break the bank to try amazing street food in Vietnam. In fact, I'm going to challenge myself to find the best street food for just $1. From sidewalk stalls to night markets, I've scoured the streets of Vietnam to bring you the most mouth-watering, wallet-friendly options. Let's start with this classic Vietnamese dish, banh mi. For just $1, you can get a delicious sandwich filled with grilled pork, pickled carrots, and fresh cilantro. The best part? It's made fresh, right in front of you. Next up we have com tam, a popular Vietnamese dish made with broken rice, grilled pork, and a side of fresh vegetables. For just $1, you can get a massive serving that'll fill you up and leave you wanting more. The flavors are incredible, and the price is unbeatable. If you're looking for something a little spicier, you have to try bun cha. These grilled pork skewers are marinated in a sweet and sour sauce that's both tangy and savory. Paired with a side of fresh noodles and herbs, this dish is a real winner. And the best part? It's only $1. But the real showstopper is this incredible dish, banh xeo. It's a crispy rice flour pancake stuffed with shrimp, pork, and bean sprouts, served with a side of fresh herbs and sweet sauce. The flavors are out of this world, and the texture is unlike anything I've ever had before, and the price? You guessed it, just $1. After trying all these incredible dishes, I have to say that the most surprising and delicious one I found for $1 has to be the banh xeo. The combination of flavors and textures is just incredible, and it's a dish I'll be dreaming about for weeks to come. In conclusion, Vietnam's street food scene is all about value and flavor, and you don't have to break the bank to experience it. From banh mi to bun cha and from com tam to banh xeo, these dishes are a testament to the country's culinary diversity and generosity. What's your favorite street food experience? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more food adventures and cultural explorations.